This recipe is on how to make Elubo Ogede, smooth Elubo Ogede or plantain flour. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me. This is the end product, but let's start from the beginning. This is my dried plantain. These are dried unripe plantains, and I'll be blending all of this into flour form. Now I'll make my plantain swallow base by adding just a small amount of the plantain flour into a bowl and mixing it with water until I get the consistency I want. If you've ever heard of plantain flour before or Elubo Ogede, like this video, leave your comments on what you think about it, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now that I have achieved the consistency I want, this is what it looks like. It has a runny consistency. So I'll put this aside and let's start cooking. I'll pour my water in my pot and I'll cover the pot and allow the water boil. Now that the water is boiling, the first thing to do is to reduce the heat, and then I'll pour in my plantain flour paste while mixing it immediately. This helps to create a thick base that makes it hard for lumps to form. When you make your Elubo Ogede with this method, you will always realize that it is very smooth because it's very hard for lumps to form this way. Now I'll mix it up very well just to ascertain the thickness, and then I'll begin to add my plantain flour until I achieve a very thick consistency. You need your Elubo Ogede to be very thick because you will still do a little bit of cooking after, and if it's not very thick, it's going to be very watery. So you need to get the consistencies right, and then the outcome would be perfect. As you've noticed, I've been adding my Elubo Ogede. That is what you should be doing. Don't forget to like this video. That is also something else you should do. If you like my content, of course, support me by showing that you like it and love my video. Now, this is the consistency you are aiming for. This is the consistency you should be aiming for. You would notice that everything comes together. Yes, this is what you should be aiming for. Now, I would clean my omorugu, which is also called wooden spatula, by dipping the spoon in water to avoid it sticking to the spoon, and then just wiping it down into the pot. I don't like to waste food. If this is one of your traits, you don't like to waste food, like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll also be pushing down the elubo that has gotten stuck to the pot because I need everything to be together. Now I'll add just very little water, not too much, just small water, and then I'll cover it and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, depends on the quantity you're making. After 2 minutes, let me open my Elubo Ogede so you'll see. But first, I need to do small cleanup because it seems the plantain flour is all over the place. So bear with me. Now, this is my Elubo Ogede, and it's time to mix it again. Amaro pako, amaro dada, in Yoruba. So I'll be doing this for about 2 minutes. But after 2 minutes, you'll get this Elubo Ogede with lovely consistency. Yoruba will say Amala to fele, elubo to fele. Hey, you need to try this method. So now that I'm done with cooking, it's time for wrapping. You can use cling film. You can use those nylons that they sell in the market for about, is it 15 naira now? They call it eba nylon. Yes, you can use that. Just ensure that you scrape everything. Me, I don't like to waste food, as you must have noticed. So I like to get every last bit of what is in the pot. If you're like me, show your love, show me love, show me love. Like this video. So I'm just going to be scooping everything, and then I'll wrap my Elubo Ogede very well and ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Elubo Ogede is ready. Look at it, looking sumptuous. So make sure you soak this pot immediately, and also remember that good food should be enjoyed always. Till next time, bye.